Hello everybody! So today's a very special day. Where are we going, guys?
We are going to Toronto Island.
Woo! Are you excited?
I'm pretty excited to get out and enjoy the weather.
Yeah.
It'll be great.
So today is the first time that we're going to Toronto Island this year. We've been many, many times. And
Isn't it called Center Island?
Center Island? Toronto Island? Yeah, no.
It's an island in Toronto.
It's an island in Toronto in the middle of the lake. And we have been hearing that traffic there has increased quite significantly because technically we're still in a lockdown, but we're allowed to leave our houses now. And without breaking the law, if you know what I mean. So we're pretty excited to take the kids out. We've just kind of been touring around, going to different beaches and different parks, but we were waiting for a hot day, and today I think it's gonna be a hot day.
It's supposed to be.
It's already like 27 degrees, so it's already gonna be nice, and we're gonna meet up with some friends, and we'll take you along for the ride. Hey girls, where is the one place Daddy has to stop every single time we go anywhere?
Every single time we have to go for a road trip, we go to Tim Hortons.
Yep. What do you always get, Will?
I have to go to Tim Hortons because I have to eat breakfast, and I'm usually the one running around loading the car up and not having time to sit down and eat. So.
But even if you go to the grocery store, you have to stop at Tim Hortons.
Yes, it's a tough job, but somebody has to do it. So. My order?
So.
Large steep tea, 1 milk, 1 cream, 2 sugar, egg and cheese farmer's wrap, and a chocolate chip muffin. Sometimes I'll go healthier and have a hash brown.
I always tell him, I'm like, you could probably own a share in Tim Hortons at this point because he spends so much money.
Should probably open a
there.
franchise.
Yeah, I think so. What did you bring?
We brought toys and toys. And I can play toys.
Yeah, so we got their sand toys, we've got a couple stuffies, we have our picnic blanket, sunshade, and then we've got snacks and all their swim stuff in the backpack, and that's it. We try to overpack, but underpack, it's hard to explain. We take everything that we need.
We overpack, but we try to do it in a way that it's all fits and it's not difficult. What's going on, everybody? So we're sitting here waiting for some friends. We're not city people, but we do enjoy the city once in a while. And honestly, Toronto is a beautiful city because it's right on the water. You like the city on the water?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so, hey? Are you excited for today?
Yeah.
What are we gonna do?
Go to Toronto.
Go to Toronto Island? And what are we gonna do there?
Go in water and play.
Go in water and play. That's all that really matters to the kids. After a seemingly very long winter, we are going to get out and enjoy this summer as much as we possibly can. We encourage everybody to do the same. Stop being locked up in your homes, go get some fresh air and some good microbes. Get you feeling better about life. So you guys should drop us a comment down below and let us know what your favorite part about summer is. I think ours is just honestly getting out and exploring.
Sunshine.
And basking in the greatness of the sunshine.
The sun makes me so happy, and that's why we're out.
What about you, sweetie? What's your favorite part about summer?
Going to the beach. How about yours, Zainab?
What about yours, Zizi? What's your favorite part about summer? Huh? Say it loud.
Swimming.
Swimming?
Yeah, I like swimming too.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You get to do that a lot in winter?
No.
Nope. Not unless we travel, right? You just chilling in the stroller? Ah, the wagon. Time to upgrade the wagon. All right.
A few moments later.
All right, everybody. Where are we going?
We're going to Center Island.
Going to Center Island. And we got the coolest spot. It's the pirate ship.
Zizi, a little bit nervous?
Oh, it's just
But you're
a boat.
excited?
It's okay.
Where's that stroller?
Here we go. Say hi! Say hi, guys!
think of this?
It's good.
good?
Yeah, I can't look good because I got my eye on the wagon. And
Oh, you're
whoa,
watching.
there's a big sailboat.
Take care. Hold on.
Thank you. Okay, so you guys are in your swimsuits?
Yeah.
And where are we gonna go?
To the water park.
To the water park?
Yes.
And to the beach?
Yeah.
Yeah? Huh?
Where's the water park?
It's on the other side of the island, but we're nice and ready.
Yeah.
And let's go! You ready to go?
Yeah.
Yeah! Are you ready, Daddy?
Obviously.
Okay, so we are now on the island.
Yeah, pretty much.
And we're just crossing the pedestrian bridge and going over to the other side where the beach and the water park and the playground is. Girls are super excited. The guys over here
In the school.
chatting away. So when you arrive at the island, you can either take the ferry or you can take the water taxi. We chose to take a water taxi this time. It was a lot quicker, more private, social distancing, whatnot. So then we arrive and now we're just walking to the other side of the island because that's where the beach is and the water park and everything. And they do have like restaurants and food and some things open. Most of the things here, like the amenities, are closed, but most things might be open as well. Okay, so we've got Will and Brother Mustafa setting up the sun tent. Girls are already enjoying their time in the water. The water's nice and clean too. All right, Will. What's up?
Hi, nothing. We're all set up now.
We're all set up, so we have the sun tent, we've got the
Put the backpack in there so you don't float away.
Yeah, snacks should probably go in there too so that they don't melt. You having fun, Z? You having fun, Amina? Let's see your rock pile. Wow. You got some big ones, eh?
Yeah.
Hey, Amina, what are you doing?
I'm making a trap for him, so if he loses the car race, then he has to wash his hands in there.
Uh-oh.
And this is his soap.
That's his soap, his sand?
Sand on a rock.
Uh-oh. And what about you two?
Zizi got tired of the water, so we just changed her, and now she's snuggling.
Snuggling.
And then we're gonna have what? What are you gonna do next, Z? We're gonna eat first.
I'm going to do what? Are you hungry?
Go to eat.
You're gonna eat? Okay.
All right, so the men have now gone to get the food. What are you expecting to eat?
I don't know.
I want like, I hope they have like shawarma or something.
Shawarma?
Yeah.
Oh, that would be good.
Very special walking with his hug.
A few moments later.
They found lots of dead kids here. Look, like kids that are. Read this.
Every child matters. This memorial is for the 215 children they found in a mass grave in Kamloops, BC, which is actually the community we are from. We grew up 45 minutes from here. The girls were born there. William was born there. So this is a,
Wait, let
this
them
is
read
a
this.
memorial. This is here on the island.
So we just traveled all the way around Center Island.
And this is
And of
what
course,
we found.
because Dad has to be the pack mule, you guys can see I got my fanny pack. And I got my fanny pack hooked up to our cart.
And this is what we found. Look.
Yep, this is what we found.
Hundreds of kids
Tribute for the
died.
215 kids found in Kamloops in a mass grave. Tragic. Tragic that our government won't take responsibility for what they did. So walking around the island is actually a super cool boardwalk that goes most of the way around, and it borders the lake. There's a little concrete wall and it's just like the waves crashing against the wall. It's super nice. Didn't take too long, maybe 45 minutes to an hour. And we're still not all the way around, but yeah, you guys can see. Super cool. Hey, where you get your
What are you
shoes on?
doing?
I mean, sweetheart. Oh, she gone.
She gone. She gone. All right, so we're on the ferry. We are going to be going back to Toronto. See just right over there. Did you have a fun day?
So much
Our
fun.
next one is going to be strawberry picking. And then after that, strawberry picking, we're going to have play dates at each other's house. And then after the play dates at each other's house, we're going to go to the CN Tower
All right.
together.
Tell me what your favorite part of the day was.
Playing with the sand and the beach?
Yeah.
Or, yeah?
Yeah.
The water was the best. What about you, Mom? What was the best part of the day?
I think just sitting in the suntan, watching the
Sitting
kids
in the
play,
sun.
and watching the kids play. That was the
Your
best.
backdrop right now is amazing.
Sit down.
Sweetie, what's your favorite part of the day?
Playing with Amina.
Oh, playing with Amira? Oh, you're such a sweetie. You know, you would make a really good big sister. You want to be a big sister?
Yeah.
To a little boy or a little girl?
Little girl.
But what if it was a little boy?
Girls.
What if it was a little boy though? We don't get to pick. Oh, she gone. And here we go. All right, guys, so we have wrapped up our day at the beach at Toronto Centre Island, and now we are gonna head home. I think everybody's about had enough. Yeah. What about you, Mom? Had enough? Yeah. What about you, Amina? Had enough? Yeah? What about you, Z? Definitely had enough, hey? A little bit of Gatorade, get you refueled for the trip home?
Yep, and they're probably gonna nap. They didn't nap on the island.
Most definitely. Everybody's gonna nap except for Dad because I have to drive, and I have Mr. Steve T to keep me company, as per usual, which is why I always stop for tea. A little bit of caffeine helps keep me going because everybody falls asleep on these trips.
Yep.
Only Daddy left to man the course. Anyway, guys, thanks for being along on this trip. Do let us know where you would think would be a good idea for us to travel to next within the Ontario area, maybe? Maybe Canada? Maybe? We'll see. Maybe somewhere far. We'll see what happens in the future here, guys. But again, thanks for taking...
She's telling you to be quiet because she wants to nap.
Uh-oh, Daddy just got told. Alright, guys. Take care. Bye for now. Assalamu alaikum. Peace be upon each and every single one of you.